Hello statisticians, today I'm going to discuss how to use various probability rules. Before I begin, I suggest that you attempt to figure this out on your own. Hashtag think before you Google. However, if this is your last turning point and you just don't understand the subject, proceed with the video. Stop. First, to find the probability, we must put the number of outcomes corresponding to event A over the total number of outcomes in the sample space. So we're going to look for P of A, or the probability of getting heads. So let's say we do 100 coin flips, and out of those 100 coin flips, 60 of those get heads. So that would make the probability of getting heads 0.6. Stop. Now it's time to look at the probability rule of the probability of A and B. Stop. So now we have the question, what is the probability a randomly selected person owns a pet and is male? So the P of A and B. So now we look at the row of a person that is male, then you look at the column of yes, owns a pet. So you have 64 people out of a total of 160. So that equals 64 over 160, and the probability would be 0.4. Now we're going to discuss the probability rule of P of A or B. First, we're going to look at a mutually exclusive event. So now we have the question, what is the probability a randomly selected person has a shoe size of 8 or 10? So we're looking for the probability of A or B, which is the probability of having a shoe size of 8 or 10. So you'd have to add the probability of 0.23 and 0.32, and that gets you 0.55. Next, we're going to look at the probability rule P of A or B, an event that is not mutually exclusive. So now we have the question, what is the probability a randomly selected person is male or went to college? So since this event is not mutually exclusive, we are going to use the formula P of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of the intersection of A or B. So then you have 40 over 90 plus 42 over 90 minus 24 over 90, which gives you 58 over 90 and leaves you with a probability of 0.644. Finally, we're going to look at the probability rule, P of B given A. So now we have the question, what is the probability that a random person drives a car given that they are male? So we look at the male row and the column of people that drive a car. So we have 50 males out of 74 that drive a car. So that would give you 50 over 74, which gives you the probability of 0.676. Congrats, statisticians. Now you know how to find probability, how to use the probability rules P of A or B, P of A and B, and P of B given A. Remember to put the butter on them taters, and next time, think before you Google.